Hello everyone, welcome to the presentation. Myself, Professor S.K. Sonone from Department of Plant Pathology from Kekewak College of Agriculture, Nasik. Today's presentation on experiment number 10, that is simple staining of bacteria. This topic is included in practical syllabus of Introductory Microbiology for first semester. Objective of this exercise: object to study of morphological and cell grouping in bacteria. Material required for this procedure: bacterial culture, it is very important, methylene blue, carbolfucin, slide, spirit lamp, wash bottle, muslin cloth, microscope, slide holder, etc. Composition of methylene blue: if you have a powder of methylene blue in powder form, then mix with the ethanol and distilled water as per the given concentration. Dissolve methylene blue in ethanol and mix in distilled water. Procedure of simple staining: clean the slide with detergent powder to wash off greasy surface. Clean the slide with detergent to remove the greasy surface of slide. Dry the slide in air. Then sterilize the slide over flame on both the sides, because sterilization is very important. We have to study morphological characters of bacteria. That's why sterilization of slide is important, both the sides. Preparation of smear. So, see what is meant by smear. A little drop of bacterial suspension is mixed with the distilled water and placed on the slide. Spread it uniformly and thinly with glass rod or needle to form a very thin film of smear. Drying of the smear. Allow the smear to dry in air only. Do not dry on flame, it forms cluster on flame. When you are dry on flame, it is make clusters of bacterial cells and you cannot find out the shape of bacteria or morphology of bacteria. Next, this is the simple procedure of simple staining. Air dried slide, flood with the stain, use the stain on smear, then wash with the distilled tap water, stain, wash with the tap water, and then air drying the slide. After drying of slide, observation under microscope. Use cedarwood oil to observe the slide. Then after preparation of smear, we have to fix that bacterial suspension on the slide. Then fixing, warm the slide slightly by passing through the flame 2 to 3 times so that the bacteria get fixed on the slide. Then staining, place 2 or 3 drops of any simple stain over the smear and allow to react for specific time. We already use methylene blue stain, 1 to 1.5 minutes. Carbolfucin, if instead of methylene blue you use carbolfucin, then 5 to 10 seconds only. Place 2 to 3 drops of stain. After staining, wash the slide with gentle steam of water. Wipe out the lower surface and dry upper surface in air. Smear, dry. After washing, smear, dry into the air. Then lastly, you have to observe the slide under microscope. It is called as mounting. Observe under low power. Select a good spot. Bring it in the center. Then adjust under high power, and finally observe under oil immersion objective. This is the classwork of your simple staining experiment. Prepared a stain smear of bacteria. Record the shape and cell grouping in bacteria. After completion of this practical exercise, you have to complete this classwork. Thanks for listening.